Alright, let's look at the homework 6, problem number 1. Alright, so we're going to do a point-by-point plotting to sketch the graph of the following equation, x equals y squared minus 5. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, so first I'm going to make a table. So let's see, since x is written in terms of y, I'm going to just pick a few numbers for y. So I'll try maybe 3, 2, 1, 0, negative 1, 2, 3. I think that would be plenty, right? So if y is 3, so you just plug in 3 here, 3 squared, which is 9 minus 5, so that's going to be positive 4. Alright, then if it's 2, 2 squared, 4 minus 5, so it's negative 1. And if it's 1 squared minus 5 is negative 4. Alright, if it's 0, it's negative 5. And negative 1, so it's going to be negative 4. And 2, negative 1. And 3, and 9 minus 5, so it's going to be 4. Alright, so let's plot points. Alright, so 4, 3. Alright, so I'm going to just plot 4, 3. So when x is 4, y is 3. So I'm going to place a dot there. Alright, negative 1, 2. So when x is negative 1, then it's actually 2. So it's right here. Alright, and the negative 4, 1. So when it's negative 4, it's going to be 1. So it's going to be right here. Alright, when it's negative 5, 0. So x is negative 5 and y is 0. So it's going to be there. Alright, and negative 4, negative 1. So x is negative 4, y is negative 1. So it's right there. And the negative 1, 2. So negative 1 is right here, and the negative 2 is right there. Alright, then 4, 3. So it's going to be, let's see, 4x is 4. And, oh, actually, sorry, I messed it up. So this is actually negative 2 and the negative 3, right? So here, let's see, 4, negative 3. So it's going to be right there. Alright, so we can kind of connect these dots to sketch the graph. So it's going to probably look kind of like this. So I'm going to just go here, make sure to go through those dots. And let's see, not the best picture. Alright, so this is a graph. Alright, so this is a kind of a sideways parabola, and a vertex is right at this to the leftmost point here. So I'm going to use a couple points to sketch the picture. So I'm going to use this vertex right there, and we can use another one. I'll probably use how about this one? Alright, this point. So I'm going to use two. So negative 5, 0 and negative 4, 1. So I'm going to use these two numbers, these 2 points to sketch the picture. Alright, so negative 5, 0 and negative 4, 1. Alright, so I'm going to go here. Alright, so let's draw a picture here. I click here, and I'm going to use this tool right here. Alright, so click on that. Alright, so it's I'm going to click on negative 5, 0. So click on that. Let's see if I can do it. So I'm going to choose this tool and then go here, and then negative 5, 0. So that was the point there. Alright, negative 4, 1. So that's the point there. Alright, so that is the graph that we are looking for. Alright, so let's see if this is correct. I'll check the answer. Alright, got that. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.